Come on.
Welcome back. Please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. At that time, your shoulder harnesses will automatically release. Please gather up all belongings and exit to the right and center of the station. Once again, the exit is to the right and center of the station. Thank you for riding the Sea Serpent and enjoy the rest of your stay here at Morey's Piers. New riders, please carefully enter the train and place all loose articles, including cell phones, in the bags on the far side of the platform. Then reach up and pull down on your shoulder harness. Please be careful stepping into and out of the train. I'm gonna wait for the front
after this. Okay. If you want to come with me, you're more than welcome to. Well, let's make sure everything is secure, which it is.
Serpent authentic, all clear. All clear dispatch, enjoy your ride. Hold on, here we go.
Please remain seated in an upright position and keep your arms and legs well inside the train at all times. Thank you and enjoy your ride on the Sea Serpent.
Guests waiting in line, cheers are required on this ride. Please do not take off your shoes. While you are waiting, please prepare to place all these articles, including hot cell phones and anything else that's not safe and secure, into the blue plastic bag on the exit side of the platform. Morey Pier says it's important to
Your arms and legs inside the vehicle. Mind visibility area as quickly as possible as the ride may begin moving at this moment. Thank you.
Wow, the G's on that. Wow.
Shoulder harnesses will automatically release. Please gather up all belongings and exit to the right and center of the station. Once again, the exit is to the right and center of the station. Thank you for riding the Sea Serpent and enjoy the rest of your stay here at Morey's Piers.
If we hurry up, we can get on.
New riders, please carefully enter the train and place all loose articles, including